Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how I made this Ankara bonnet. This is not a cycle bonnet, this is a rectangle bonnet. If you want to see how I made this Ankara bonnet, keep watching this video. This is the fabric I'm using for this bonnet. This is African fabric, also known as Ankara, and I have my satin fabric for the lining. The measurement of my fabric is 45 centimeters by 64 centimeters. If you are using a inches tape, it's 17 inches by 24.5 inches. That is what you are going to cut your fabric. Let's go to my machine to ruffle this round. You can use your fork to do your pleats. You can use something flat. It doesn't have to be this. Anything flat or fork you can use to do your pleat. Just watch what I'm doing. I push it inside like so. I just use this to push it like this. You see the way it is. I'll pleat it again for the second time. I'll pleat it again for the second time because it's still wide. Pleat it again. You see it? This will enter my head freely because it's wide, and I will put elastic later, but it has to enter your head freely without you having to force it in, because you have to put elastic later. Then I will ruffle my lining the same way. It doesn't have to be the same size. Don't worry, even if it's not the same, doesn't mean, because it can be difficult to get it like exactly the way the other one is, but it will just be fine. It doesn't have to be the same. Don't worry. After gathering my fabric, I measured it round is 77 centimeters. So I cut my brim 77 centimeters by 10. Then I folded it. 77 is 77 centimeters the brim, so I cut it 79, 2 for seam allowance. Then I folded it, is 79 by 10. I folded it, is now 5. You see it? So this is my brim. What I will do, you see, I've already folded it and ironed it. What I will do is I will open this to sew it together. I will open here, then open it like this. Front side face, front face front, You see where I iron the front face front, then you sew it. Take it to my machine to sew. I will take it to my machine to sew, like so. You see it? This is my brim. I'll sew it together. It's the same measurement with my brim. The gather I made here is the same measurement with this brim. Just look at what I'm doing. This African fabric, there are some, the back from the front. The front is more sharper than the back. So you turn it. You turn it and put the front side inside. Then you take the lining and put the front side inside. front facing front. Okay, front facing front. Then I will take my brim, put it inside like so. Put my brim inside like this. Then just start to pin together. See? Then I will take it to my machine to sew it round. What I will do here is I will sew this place together. I will sew it together all round. I will leave this place open. Then I will take the brim here. I will sew it to the cap in the up. I won't sew it to the lining. I will leave this place open to turn it. You see, I didn't sew here. I left this place open. You see it? I left it open so that I can turn the bonnet. So I will turn it. Voila. What I will do is I will lose this place inside to pass your elastic through. You put your elastic in your edge to take the size of your head, how tight you want your brim, your bonnet to be. You put it on your head and take the measurement. You see, I use pin to block this one here so that it will not go inside. That is why I use this pin to block this one here. It's so beautiful, this bonnets. Then I will sew this place. I will sew it, then put it inside. Sew it, then do it like this. Just open it like this. Then the elastic will go inside. Then you sew this place where you turn it. You can take it to your machine to sew, or you can hand sew it. That is how to make your satin bonnet, Ankara bonnet, irreversible bonnet.